right now we are at the base, or almost as close as you can get to the falls. We are so close that you can't see the top. So this is a dangerous place to stand. I don't recommend you do it at home. The water is very cold and chilly, and the humidity is coming down through the valley, through here. So you must be very careful. This will get very slippery, but yet beautiful. And I think you should try. If you live your life and you don't experience this, I saw this. So now I'm at the top of the log. I feel like I'm the king of the world. So we will try to continue now to Glacial Point and hike up so we can get some good shots for you. Again, if you want to see more, all you have to do is come to America. You can actually fly into Fresno and you can be here in 2 hours. So quite literally, you could travel for 10 hours on the airplane, 3 hours on the road, and you can be here. So if it is 12 o'clock, you could be here in 13 hours. So please, I want to inspire you to travel as well. I wish you could be here, but you can't. So I will show you everything that I can. Let's go. Whoa! Excuse me. I'm back.